Gerbil Girl, and today I'm going to be making my video on how to make some very easy to make bird treats. So you will need slices of carrots. I'm doing 3, but you can do as many as you want. You will need some bird seed and a small or medium bowl. So first off, you're going to wet your carrots. So after your carrots are wet, you will put some bird seed into your bowl. Like not very much at all, just a little tiny bit, like that. Okay, so then you will take your carrots and put them in and start mashing them all around inside of the seed, like this, so that the seed starts sticking to them. So yeah. So when you are done making your treats, they should end up looking like this with seed all over them, like all over the sides and the back also. And so when you're done, you can hang it in your bird's cage, or to make it better, you can put it inside of their seed so that they can eat seed and have a seed treat in there. So yeah, that's what I normally do. I just put it in their food bowl. So yeah, thanks for watching, and this is a very simple treat to make for your birds, and my bird loves it. Thanks for watching, guys.